Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this Morph Costumes vampire costume. This is for adult male. This is in a size medium. They also offer it in a large, and extra extra large. Alright, so we got our costume. If you're like me, excited that Halloween is just around the corner. So I did purchase this Dracula outfit for my son. This is a size medium, which includes the waistcoat with the attached shirt, a cape and cane. This adult costumes comes in 4 different sizes. You got medium, large, extra large, and 2X large. So first off right here, you do get the cane. It is just a screwed together cane. You just screw the pieces together. So it is easy to wear, durable. It has definitely high quality. It's fully lined cape with assembled in 4 screws together pieces. I did remove one of the pieces because my son is not as tall. So I just took one of the pieces from the bottom and just removed that so it is waist length. So now we're screwing on the top part. This is a little bit hotter plastic. So this is with all of the pieces on, all the 4 pieces. I just removed the bottom pieces, making it 3. So it'd be waist length. So now we're going to dip into the bag itself. This is the waistcoat and the cape. So this is just the waistcoat that comes with the shirt. So it's an all-in-one piece. It's got the little snaps here at the bottom, the little chains. And then it is just basically a slip over. It does have long sleeves and it has little buttons at the bottom of the sleeve, but there is nowhere to put it, so I just folded it up on him. You can see right there, looks like cufflinks. So now here is the cape. The cape is really thick, it's really nice. It does have a chain at the top so it doesn't fall off of you. So here is the chain, and there's a little buckle that doesn't come off. You just put that on the back of your neck. You can use it either side. You can use it the red out or the black out, which I put it on the black out so it looks a lot better on the inside. My son did have some matching pants to go along with these. So we're just going to go ahead and try it on my son. So my son is 10 years old. This is a size medium. He's a little tall for his age, but you can see it fits perfectly on him. The cape is a little long, which is okay. And the cane, like I said, was a little long, so what I had to do was remove one of the pieces of the cane. And then I did purchase some vampire teeth for him. He's enjoying this cape and outfit. He said he wanted to be a vampire, so I came across this little outfit. It looks super nice. Although the kids' ones are really nice, but my son is a really tall kid for his age, so I decided to go with the medium in the men's size. You can see that it fits perfectly. Although the cape is a little long, which is not too bad. So with some shoes, it will only drag just a little bit. So this is where the inside is red and the outside is black. If you do not like it that way, you can actually flip it around so you can change where the black is the inside and the red is outside. If you're looking for a nice vampire costume, I would definitely recommend this one. It is super nice.